energy stocks. These stocks have been underperforming for 2 years. And the reason for it, oil prices. Oil prices have been down, and so have natural gas prices. Now, I don't expect that oil and natural gas is going to stay down forever. And these businesses are really mature, well run, and profitable. So it's not a bad time for me to think about, hey, is there another oil company I'd like to buy out there? And what do these companies look like from an investing perspective? Energy could be the best sector going forward. I think it's a combination of this sector has really been beaten down, has not caught many rallies in regards to stock prices. And really, if the economy does okay and oil prices were to rise any, this sector is really going to perform well. And also show another factor that I think is weighing into, which is natural gas. Natural gas, I think, is going to be in higher demand going forward to produce electricity. I'll tell you more about that in a few minutes. Crude prices have not been overly high. Over the last 5 years, we are probably at an average price. Now, if we can get that oil price, or if oil prices could advance past 75, these companies are really going to move. They're really going to move up in price. And with regards to natural gas, a little of the same. We are kind of on an average natural gas price. If natural gas prices go up, then we've got something, especially for those that are really focused on natural gas production. A lot of analysts are calling for energy to do well. And again, I think it's because stock prices are so low and that they don't have a lot of room to the downside, but they have plenty of room to go up. And with regards to percentages of buy, hold, and sell, energy has the highest percentage of buy recommendations. Data centers are going to need a lot more electricity. And if I look at these statistics, the overall power consumption in 2025 is 2.3% higher than last year. And that's a significant amount. Where's that energy going to come from? Well, if we look at what source of fuel is being used for electricity, the biggest factor or the most common fuel used is natural gas. 43.1% of the fuel used for electricity production is natural gas. Coal is there. And then there's some renewables, but renewables are not as prevalent. The other factor that I think is going to help energy, or I should say natural gas prices, is gas is easy to increase, easy to ramp up. What data centers need are turbines manufactured by GEV or Rolls-Royce. And these turbines will burn this natural gas and create electricity, and the data centers will have their power. So I think this is going to be a tailwind, an assister to the natural gas industry, and it's going to raise prices, which is a good thing for these energy companies.